HAPLAST's C-Fold trash bag, designed in a compact roll for convenient storage and dispensing. Production starts with a jumbo film roll feeding smoothly into the converting line. As the material moves through the process, it is folded into the C-Fold configuration, wound into finished rolls, labeled for identification, and packed into cartons, ready for storage and shipment. Each bag is dispensed individually and separated along the perforated line, making it easy to remove one bag at a time while keeping the remaining roll neatly organized. Once unfolded, the side folds create the characteristic C-fold shape. The perforated opening remains easy to identify, while the expanded bag provides more usable space inside. The film is then demonstrated under direct handling. Pressure from a pointed object and repeated stretching in different directions show how the material deforms under force while remaining intact throughout the demonstration. Practical design and easy handling make the bag suitable for a wide range of everyday applications. Finished orders move from the warehouse to container loading. HAPLAST's manufacturing capacity reaches 5,000 tons per month, supporting large volume production requirements. The production system is supported by internationally recognized certifications covering quality management, product compliance, environmental responsibility, and recycled materials. These products are supplied to customers across a wide range of international markets. Contact HAPLAST to learn more about our packaging solutions and manufacturing capabilities.